Hi guys, today I want to show you some interesting information regarding astrophotography. As you might have heard already, astrophotography is going to become a thing with the new Pixel 4 Google Camera or Google Camera version 7. If you have seen my video yesterday and of course the video from XDA, then you've seen that Google Camera 7 has been already ported and now can work for other phones like the Pixel 3, and at the end the people from XDA were able to kind of test it. So today there is a new video from XDA showing what the Google camera is capable of when shooting the stars. So what is this astrophotography? Okay, this is really, you taking your phone, going out in the woods in the night, or let's say choose some dark areas and where you can shoot the sky with all the stars and etc. Alright, but why I'm recording this video, guys? I want to show you today something. It's called the DeepSkyCamera, okay? And actually you can go and check out here this website. So the website is called DeepSkyCamera.de, okay? So it's a German website, and I think that even you can go and choose the English version. So the DeepSkyCamera is an application for Android, and it can take pictures of the stars and also in a RAW format, right? So that's quite cool. So you can also take flats, bass, and dark frames. It really has a lot of options, right? The features are preview with 1 second exposure time. You can see the brightest stars, and you can set the phone in the right direction, taking pictures in a RAW format, setting custom ISO, exposure time, and etc, and etc, and etc. Alright, so actually there are a lot of explanation on the website, which I'm gonna put in the description below this video. But let's go ahead and download it. So you open the Play Store, you search for DeepSkyCamera, okay, and then you hit install. And as you can see here from the description, this is an application for astrophotography, and I think that this is going to be a huge thing when the Pixel is going to be released, because a lot of people from the public, like general users, are going to have access to this feature. It kind of looks cool, guys. I honestly did test this on myself on my previous phone, I think on my Mi 8, so right now I don't have any samples. But if you're looking at this video and you're keen enough to test this, please do so and post some pictures of stars in the comments so that we can all review them. Alright. Now that the application is installed, you hit open. You give the right permissions so that the application can really have access to your camera, and then here, okay, you can start. And as you can see, actually, it's really quite a lot of there are quite a lot of extras, and it is quite powerful up here, right? So there is a help section here, right, like a tutorial, which you can check really and understand how exactly you're supposed to do this, and there is some quick guides here, and actually quite a lot of nice features there, guys, which I think you should be able to discover by yourself. And I hope this information is really helpful to you. If you want really to kind of test the new hot thing, astrophotography, then I think you can do this on your current phone with the DeepSkyCamera, because I don't really expect that anytime soon we're gonna get our hands on the Google Camera 7. Who knows? Let's see. I know that people like Stark already are modding the original APK, so if I learn something, guys, I will share this with you. At the time being, this is what we have, so test out the DeepSkyCamera. Let me know in the comments, how does this work for you? Do you like it? And at the end of the day, just let's see what it can do for you. Right now I'm using the DeepSkyCamera beta on my OnePlus 7. As you can see here, this is the OnePlus GM1900. Okay, good. That was all from me, guys. I hope that you're gonna like this video. If you do so, then please like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, and come back for more tech videos, guys. Alright? Have a nice day. Over. Bye.